হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আজকে আমরা ছাদে এসেছি একটা আম গাছের ব্লগ দেখাতে। তো চলুন শুরু করি। First, at first, make you see the roof. There, viewers, there is the roof, and the mango trees is right here. The branches of the mango trees overshadowed the roof. That is the roof, and over it the mango trees, sorry, not trees, the branches of the trees. There are a lot of mangoes. This is a mango, this is, and you can see there is a mangoes totally ripe and yellow in color. Viewer, it is that ripe mangoes, it is shaking and it is about to fall down. Viewers, can you see it? Which I collected with a lot of difficulties, and finally I grasped it, and now I shall keep it in a bowl. Let's go, viewers. What to next? Viewers, these are all green mangoes, not ripe. Viewers, can you see the mangoes on the floor? Oh no, but that mango was vanished with a blink of eye. Viewers, there is another mangoes with a lot of mangoes. Can you see? My dear viewers, there is another branches on a little pond. Oh no, and there is also a ripe mangoes. Oh, totally ripe, color in absolutely yellow. It indicates that the mango is ripe. So I have to try to pluck it down. But today I collected these 4 mangoes. Viewer, this is another green mangoes which is to be cut, and dear viewers, you can see it is being cut and finally it done by me. Oh, viewers, now I am going to test it. বন্ধুরা, এত টক আম খাওয়া যায় না, কাঁচা বিশাল টক, এই পাকলে আবার দারুণ মিষ্টি, কি বলবো আপনাদের। যাই হোক, কাঁচা আম টেস্ট না করে পাকা আমগুলো এবার টেস্ট করি। চলো viewers, this is what which I showed you a second time, pond signed branches. Dear viewers, now I am washing the mangoes in the water. Now these are being cut on the plate with a knife. Can you see, my dear viewers? Oh wow, it is very nice. How nicely the mangoes are being cut on the plate. Viewers, can you see the mangoes are being smashed and extracted the juice from the mangoes? Dear viewers, can you understand that everything is about the mango juice? Dear viewers, now some sugars is being blended in the mixture grind, and then it will be added to the mango juice. Oh, the extracted portion from the mangoes are being added to the sugar into the mixture grind. Now switched on and the mixture grind is running. Sound also creating and finally done. Let's see the viewers the blend. There is the extracted portion of mangoes, some water and some sugar blending. Now it poured into a glass and finally it is ready to taste.
হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন অনেক পরিশ্রম, অনেক মেহনতের ফল। কত কষ্ট করে আম পালন দেখলেন তো। এবার টেস্ট করা যাক।
Wow, it is excellent.
দারুণ সুন্দর হয়েছে। যদি আপনারা কাছে থাকতেন সবাইকে একটু করে খাওয়াতাম, কিন্তু কি আর করা যাবে, যখন আসবেন তখন দেখা যাবে।
It will be kept. It will be given when you come. Till then, it will be there.